Hi guys, I'm Mortice from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of picking another 5-lever curtain mortise lock. I believe it's an era Viscount. I've picked one of these before. This one was given to me by one of the fantastic guys at letleads.com. He was one of the tradesmen, and funny enough, I was good friends with him years ago. I've not seen him for many years, and he waltzes into one of our buildings and it turns out it's a tradesman by the nickname of Spider. So thank you, Spider, my friend, for this lock, and it was really nice to see you again, mate. I'm going to be using my ICL picks. This is the sort of the third one I've got, or should I say picked. I was just about to say got on video, but it's not on video yet. Let's see how we get on. Didn't get a working key with this, so you can see that's locked up. Let's see how we get on. As I said before, I'm very new to mortise locks. I'm normally picking padlocks and Euro cylinders and Yales, etc., rim cylinders. Let's have a bash. Picked it off camera. As we all know, once you start the camera rolling, you go shy. So took a little bit of time. It's gone quicker off camera, but never mind. That's an Era Viscount 5-lever Mortice lock picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. And as I've said before, if there's any landlords out there that require a fantastic property letting agency to look after your properties, then visit www.letleads.com. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.